Welcome to Blerter. Let's get your organisation set up so you can hit the ground running. Setting up your organisation is an easy process and provides you with a direct line to your accounts, billing, licensed staff, and a full overview of your organisation's events. To make changes, select Edit in the top right corner. To invite staff, complete their details and select if they can manage the organisation, manage employees, or create new events. These permissions are not hierarchical, so you simply need to select if they can or can't do this action. If you have events uploaded, you can add the staff with their role to the event directly. If not, why not add them to the Blerter playground? You can load your processes into our incident templates, create your own, or choose to edit one of our example templates to reflect your event's best practice processes. Updating the templates at an organisational level means every event follows the same consistent steps. If you run multiple events, you can always update these templates at an event level too. As an event manager, we understand that you may be a little detail orientated. Okay, very detail orientated. To help you learn the ins and outs of Blerter, each new organisation is equipped with the Blerter Playground. The playground is the perfect opportunity for you to test and map out how you would like to set up your event. Make mistakes, adapt, and try different scenarios without having to worry about affecting your event data. We love that every event organiser has a different way of managing their events. And with the numerous functions in Blerter, you will have various options to run your events your way.